So guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to make a thumbnail on Canva. So it is very simple. Just you have to go in Canva and you have to just search thumbnail, any thumbnail that you need, that is gaming, podcast, anything. Just search thumbnail and you'll get amazingly free options of making it from ready-made template, but I don't like it for my channel. So I am doing a customized thumbnail that you just have to select any of it and just if you liked the background or something like that, then just select it and you can just edit and do whatever you want to need for customization for your channel. So for my channel, as you know it, it's a software driven technical technology and software channel that I teach people to get better in architecture softwares. So this is basically how my thumbnail is seen on YouTube. That is basically that I do is I keep my subscribe icon and my logo of my channel right over here, and for the specific video, whatever is going to be here, like the logo of the software that I'm going to teach. So for here it is Revit, then I keep it sometimes as per the videos, SketchUp, AutoCAD, Photoshop, InDesign, Design Builder, and any software that I'm going to teach in that specific video goes over here, right over here, and the shorter title goes over here, right over here, like this. The text I use is Fredoka, that is a bold text that is seen nicely on the thumbnail of YouTube. So that's all. It is that easy. You just have to then export it right over here. Download is in JPEG. That is very easy to upload it on YouTube, and you just have to press download, and that's it. Your thumbnail is download and ready to be used. Then all you have to do is go to YouTube and select upload file right over here, and whatever name you give it will show right over here. And next, add end screen titles. I always do it for import from the latest video that I use it. Same, see, as I told you, I have my subscribe icon right over here. So save. Next, checks has been done, visibility public, and publish it right now. So that's how easy it is to make a thumbnail on Canva and to upload it on YouTube. So thank you for watching. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.